All right, everybody. Russell Liebowitz, founder of Recruitemy and GetRex here. We've got another one of our existing members on our webinar today, Victoria Brachma with AIM Healthcare Recruiting. Is that right, Victoria?
Yep, that is it. Hey, Russ.
Hey, I know you're having some camera difficulties today, so we figured let's just go ahead and roll right into it without seeing your wonderful face that I usually see in our coaching calls every week. But Victoria,
Yep,
I appreciate you getting on this call and webinar today and kind of speaking to our audience out there. Maybe you can give us a brief Reader's Digest version of, what Recruitemy has done for you from a biz dev perspective with our systems and tools, allowing you to, build your sales pipeline or whatever it may be. I'll let you talk, but go ahead and give us some insight into that.
Yeah, definitely. So the biggest thing for us was that we've been in business in our 5th year, and marketing was really just a thorn. And so, the biggest thing that we've been able to do with Recruitemy is put some real systems in place that are driving traffic to us and definitely bringing more appointments. We all know this is a really difficult time for all of us, not just in recruiting, but period. And so it really has, though, helped us just drive more traffic to us and just have more of a consistent type of a system that we can connect with potential companies with.
Awesome. Yeah, I know when you first started, it took about maybe 2 weeks, and I got that email from you on a Friday where you were pretty ecstatic because you had heard back from a client or two, and you actually were able to not even get the meeting. I mean, the meeting was one thing, but you actually got a job order. And I think you also got an engaged search up front, which is what we also teach our members. Maybe you can speak to that.
Yeah, absolutely. So pretty much up to now, we've been doing a lot of contingency-based type of recruitment. And so this program has really helped me just more confidently sell our services on more engaged bases. And we're definitely starting to talk about retained as well. So yes, we did actually secure a client within, it was the first 2 to 3 weeks that we were with you guys. And that has been a real game changer.
Yeah, no, I really have appreciated your participation with our membership group. We're up to 86 members right now. I know we have our weekly coaching calls every Tuesday at 1 p.m. And, you add a ton of value on those calls for us as well. So thank you. How do you feel about the coaching calls, and what have you gleaned from those calls since you've been a member?
Yeah, it's actually really great because there certainly are some really experienced recruiters. I mean, obviously you're one of them and you're guiding us through this, but there's also just a lot of great recruiters that have been doing this for a really long time who are sharing a lot of input with us. And so it's constant learning. It's definitely, the whole system, the whole program is there's a lot of information, so it really it takes time to go through everything, but there's a lot of good new type of information that I've learned from you, and just being on the calls. And it's just great to be a part of a support network that shares current experiences and just how we can be better in this business for our clients.
Good stuff, Victoria. And what would you tell somebody out there who's in our shoes, right? We are owners of a small to mid-sized staffing company. Maybe you're a one-man band, which is fine. A lot of our members, it's just them. We have some members who have a few recruiters on staff, and we've got some larger companies in our membership group. But what would you tell that person out there who is struggling to build up their sales pipeline right now? Talk to more clients, get more appointments on their calendar every week with new clients. What would you tell that person?
Yeah, so definitely this is how I look at it. I think it's really important that even though it is a slow period for all of us, if we can put these systems in place, we will come out a lot stronger of this whole, current market that we're in. And so that's one of the biggest things that I'm looking forward to, because I definitely see the results coming together. You know, probably not as much as we would have had, you know, back in the day, but it
Yeah.
is really, I feel like we're in a direction where we will definitely, you know, bring a lot more leads, and it is happening already, and a lot more meaningful conversations. And so, you know, once we are out of this current, you know, market, then we will definitely come a lot stronger. So the biggest thing that I would say is, if your company does not have a defined marketing system in place that is composed of several different types of, you know, marketing steps and ways, then you definitely need to, you know, you can definitely join, because this is the place that will teach you a few different ways that you can be marketing at the same time, which is a great value. So I hope this
Awesome.
this clearly explains it. But yeah, absolutely, I definitely see value in this program, and I'm happy to be here.
That's fantastic. Victoria, I can't thank you enough. Really looking forward to continuing seeing your progress and wins. And thanks again for sharing today with our audience.
Thank you, Russ. Thank you.
All right.